everybody! Today's recipe is really easy, simple, delicious, and gorgeous looking side dish, Korean banchan. What is banchan? Banchan is side dish. Always we eat with rice. That's why side dish should be a little salty. This egg dish is really fluffy so that it looks like a volcano. I'm going to name this dish as a spicy volcano egg side dish. You like it? Because I add Korean hot pepper flakes to make it a little spicy, but not that spicy. Today, I'm going to use this guy. This guy is earthenware. This is a really small size, 2.5 cups. I'm going to use this, and we need 4 eggs. 4 eggs. To make it savory, I will use chicken broth, but if you have anchovy stock, you can use anchovy stock too. Let's start. 1/4 cup chicken broth. This is low sodium chicken broth. I'm going to use my small burner today because this bowl is very small. So here, 4 eggs. Let's crack these eggs. So 4 eggs. Instead of fish sauce or salt, I will use soy sauce, 진간장. Dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon. And this is Korean hot pepper flakes, 고춧가루, 1 tablespoon. Smells delicious. Soy sauce and hot pepper flakes together, I love the smell. And sesame seeds. This is toasted, very crispy toasted sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to grind. I use my mortar and pestle, but if you guys don't have mortar and pestle, you can use these 2 fingers, just and squish like that, crush like this. Then you will sooner or later it will be powdered, right? Here. And then stir this 50 times. So this is going to be really nutty, savory, and tasty. And then I will add 1/4 cup chicken broth. So total, we use 1/2 cup chicken broth. And 50 times more. Using fork. Very good. All together 100 times. Eh? And then now, let's heat it up. Medium-high heat. I have to wait until this broth is boiling. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. And we need also the green onion. 2 small green onions. This green onion is, after all this is cooked, I will just add on top. So I like to really chop it up finely. And then, now it's boiling. So it takes only, a couple of minutes. Just I see. Come over here to see. I will just turn down the heat to low. So pour this and keep stirring. Just little by little use. Because this earthenware bowl is hot. So even though heat is very low, still it's cooking. 80% of a bowl is filled. And stir a couple of times like this and cover. I like to make it volcano. I will use this my stainless bowl here. Set the timer 10 minutes. These are my side dishes that I prepared. I'm going to eat with my 계란찜. This is cucumber. This is so easy recipe. I learned this recipe from my cousin. When I lived in Korea, she was living in the same city as me. One day I went to her house and she was raising 3 children. So 3 children were all they ate a lot because they were the teenagers. When she makes a kimchi stew, she makes a huge pot of kimchi stew. She made this 계란찜 this way. That's kind of unusual because usually egg color should be yellow, and we always add some shrimp sauce there, and sometimes chopped green onion on top. My cousin's steamed eggs are different, kind of brownish. It doesn't look like eggs, but when I taste it, this is so tasty. Just only a little difference makes it really enhance really taste. Did you hear? The steams comes up and it dropped. Yeah. You see? I hope that you heard this. Let's open, turn off. Look at that! Oh my! Oh my! And then I'm gonna add some chopped green onion. Yeah. I told you a little more spicy. I like to make this. And drizzle sesame oil. Oh my, looks so good. So this is rice. And wow, it's like a volcano, isn't it? Zucchini with the shrimp. And this is bok choy. So I have a recipe on my website. This is fish cake and cucumber. Let's eat. Isn't it so easy? You guys should make this. Let's dig in. See? Wow. I'll show how it what look like this. Look at that. Look at that. This is, oh my. This is really tasty. Let me taste. Let me eat my volcano. Very savory and nutty and little spicy. Awesome. It's like a really hot, soft tofu stew, sundubujigae, but a little kind of dense, but more savory this, and really tasty. Everything is delicious. Just egg and a few of ingredients. I just mix this and cook. It's really hot. Temperatures are hot and fluffy and a little salty and savory and nutty. Yum. So this is a perfect side dish. Cheers everybody. Happy cooking. Today we made spicy volcano egg side dish. 매운 뚝배기 계란찜 in Korean. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.